Hello, it's your girl Dale Allen. I wanted to invite you to a leadership confidence booster, which is a workshop focused on imposter syndrome and removing imposter syndrome. I'd like you to be there if you ever have noticed that there are times when you don't trust yourself, you think that you can't rely on yourself. If you've ever had thoughts of worry or doubt because you feel like you're a fake and that you don't belong. If you have ever noticed that you have these kind of negativity spells where you just want to be positive, but you can't find it in you to do so, and you just again feel like an imposter, that you feel less than, then you'll find this leadership confidence booster will be totally for you. We will focus on 3 tools that will help you dissolve imposter syndrome and exactly how to use them so that you can rely on yourself with your inner wisdom. We'll also give you some resources that you can take with you beyond the workshop. And what you'll notice is that how important it is to be in community, because we know, I'm going to tell you one thing that you'll learn more about there, but one little thing, why imposter syndrome is so difficult to dissolve is because it is not we can't rely on personal resilience alone for imposter syndrome. It's an environment issue also. It's a systemic issue also. So we look at how to share the teachings and the practices that are helpful to dissolve a systemic issue that can't just be solved by the personal issues or personal resilience alone. Like you doing just the personal work alone. So we do it in community. So come join us. The Leadership Confidence Booster is this week. Make sure you're there.